Hello, this is Chris Abraham, and I am co-founder and president of Abraham Harrison LLC, and also an expert on blogging and search engine optimization, internet strategy, and web strategy. Here I am on Marketing Conversation blog. I am going to show you around to show you how I set up this WordPress blog, how I've added modules and set up templates and added very cool tools to optimize this blog and to make it easier for people who are blogging on our behalf. We have a staff that blogs here, so it's a collaborative blog. This marketingconversation.com, being a collaborative blog, my first reason for creating this video is, of course, to help my team better as a training tool to help them maximize this blog. So here we are at www.marketingconversation.com. If you wanted to post an article, if you'll see, there's pages and comments, a poll, some advertising, subscribe via email, search, and various other things down here, including categories, comments, a blog roll, and so forth. So let's see what's on behind the curtain. If you'll notice, it's just a traditional blog. There's a title, there's text, there's comments, there's post times and dates, and who posted. For example, this says Abraham Harrison. This is Kevin Donlin. So since this is a WordPress blog, and WordPress is one of the most popular blogging platforms, there's an easy way to sign on to here, which is pretty much consistent across all platforms. This blog is hosted on a Linux server, dedicated server, has a dedicated IP address, and the way to sign on here is to type WP-ADMIN. That takes you to the login page. If you'll see, you got the pretty W there. My username here is Chris, and then my password is star 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 star. In this case, I'll say remember me. I'll log in there. And then we move to what is the traditional WordPress administration screen. You can see incoming links. You can see comments. There's comments in moderation. I always think comments should be taken in moderation. You've got some WordPress news, and you have very simple links here. Write a post, update your profile, add a link to your blog roll, or change your site's look or theme. Some of the things I'd like to do is I'd like to just show you and write a post. So I'm going to click write a post. And here we go. I'm just going to call it I am recording a video tutorial on blogging. This is a demo post to show my viewers how to blog using Marketing Conversation as an example. Okay, great. Now, if you'll notice here, it says visual, and here it says code. Because it's visual, it means, and I'll show you where to turn that on and turn that off. It means that I can do things like I can highlight demo post, and I can hit italics, and I can use Marketing Conversation, and I can hit bold, and I can even highlight this and choose link and type www.marketingconversation.com, and then I have a hyperlink. All right. Um, uh, when I am when I complete this tutorial, I will upload it to YouTube and Google, YouTube, Google Video, MySpace Video, Vox, and probably Facebook. So I could, of course, here link to various and sundry places like youtube.com/Chris Abraham, etc. Right? Um, do whatever you need to do here. There's various things you can do. I don't want to go into this right now, but one of the important things is, let's say you wanted to break this into an introduction and the rest of the continued content. You would be able to use this little thing here called split post with more tag. So let's say I were to create multiple paragraphs here, right? I could want this to be the teaser, and the teaser here, I just click here and it creates a little more bar, and then I delete the end here, and there you go. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So let's say I'm finished with this post. The next thing to do would be to choose one or more categories. Categories should be focused on really just the top few things that your site is about or your post is about. So in this case, I would choose YouTube, YouTube marketing. If I had video tutorials, I would have that there. I don't, so look, I can add it. Video tutorials, and I can add that at the very top, as you'll see. Very simple to add stuff to. And then there's other things that I could do. I could add an image, and I could also add a video if I wanted to, but I'll go over that later, maybe in a follow-up tutorial. So next here are tags. Tags are easy. Tags will actually be taken from your categories. You can also put them in by hand, such as marketing, video, tutorials, YouTube, or you can you get a really cool tool here called Tag Suggestions courtesy of YouTube. What this does, when I click this button, it scours the entire post so far and looks for keywords that might be interesting to the readers. In other words, it does a contextual scan and then recommends keywords that you might want to add later. So get keyword suggestions from Yahoo. Should give me something back. I'm not quite sure. Be very sad if it didn't. What I'm going to do if I want to try to figure this out and make it work, I click Save and Continue, and we'll see if I can make it work this time. Save and continue editing. Okay, so if you'll notice, it took all the tags that were here, YouTube marketing, video tutorials, and YouTube, and it's put them into the tags, and then I can click here, Get Keyword Suggestions from Yahoo. And it's not working. Charming. Demos are fantastic. Here we are. So using marketing, Facebook, Vox, MySpace, viewers, demo, YouTube, Google, and blog. By clicking on them, it adds them to the list, as you'll see over here. And then I can finally click publish. You'll see there's this little line here between the two. When I publish, and that publishes it immediately, goes to the front page at the top. When I click publish, then you can go to view site. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a separate tab. And you can see that the new article is there. I am recording a video tutorial on blogging. This is a demo post to show my viewers how to blog using Marketing Conversation. As an example, when I complete this tutorial, I'll upload it to YouTube, Google Video, blah, blah, blah. Read more. That's where our little line was. And then you've got all these other copies here. If you'll notice, there's a related post here, and it has other articles that might might attract people who have visited, who are visiting for other content that's similar. All right, so that was easy. That was the first step. Now let me explain some of the cool features that make this blog what it is. And those kind of, are associated with plugins. Maybe that should be a follow-up article. Let's see. Maybe I'm done.